Hey there! Welcome to our channel. I'm so happy you're here. Let's start by preparing two pieces of fabric, just like the ones you see in the picture. Now we're sewing a regular zipper to the back of the fabric. But here's a little trick to make it look neat and clean. I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city in the comments. Now sew the smaller piece of fabric right on top of the zipper. Make sure it's aligned nicely. And now, the back side of our cushion is all done. It's looking neat and ready for the next step. Now open the zipper. We'll use this opening later to turn the cushion inside out once the stitching is done. Next, we're sewing both edges of the zipper front. This helps it stay flat and gives a clean finish. Now, let's carefully trim the excess zipper. This keeps everything neat and tidy. Now we're sewing a 41 by 41 centimeter piece of fabric to the back of the cushion. This will form the top part. Now, trim the extra fabric at the corners. This will help the cushion points look nice and sharp when we turn it inside out. Now, let's turn the cushion inside out. This will reveal the neat, finished look. Now, we're filling the cushion with a pillow insert. Make sure it's nice and even for a cozy, full look. You can mix this zipper style with other cushions from our channel. It's a fun way to refresh your home decor and give your space a new vibe. Please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our other cushion designs. There's lots more to explore. If you'd like to support me, please give this video a like. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy it.